How to download YouTube in Samsung Smart TV. First of all, get your remote, whether that is the Universal Remote or the Samsung Smart TV controller. Then just press the home button in the middle of your controller there. Then press the left arrow until you get to apps. Click enter on the apps section. Then you want to press up on the controller, the upwards arrow. Then the right one until you get to app search. Click enter on that. Then you just want to simply type in YouTube using the keyboard there. Once you typed in YouTube, it should appear in the top left hand corner where you'll just be able to go ahead and click on it by pressing the enter button. And then once you click onto YouTube, if it's already downloaded, it will just be there open. Or you might need to click install when it pops up. So if it does, click install, then wait for it to install to your Samsung TV, and then you'll be able to log in, create an account, or do whatever you want to on YouTube like that. Please do leave a like on the video for help, subscribe for more helpful videos.